Hello, Sagittarius. Welcome to your reading. So, this is for your July the 28th to July the 31st reading. Ayan. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. So, Sagittarius, kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po, that's Babaylan TV din. No? Pero kung hindi niyo maabutan yung live, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, Sagis, I wanted to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So magsimula na tayo sa cheese. Bakit parang meron sa ating mga tao na nagpupush, no? Para either makipag-ayos. So parang meron mga nakikisaw-saw dito. Pero in a good way naman, no? Parang it could be your mutual friends, your family member, their family members, no? Parang either parehas kayong pinagmamatch or pinagbabati kayo kung sakaling meron man um, challenges, no? I think that your family also is somehow, parang sinasabi dito, no? Parang they are also enlightening you. Parang boto sila doon sa iyong partner or boto yung family ng partner mo sa iyo, no? Or it could also be, the community, tanggap for those who are in an LGBTQIA plus relationship. So it felt like parang napaka-welcoming ng inyong community, no? Um, both parties, no, parang walang issues. In fact, no, parang nag-a-add pa nga sila ng mga spices, no, sa inyong relationship. Kumbaga, itong relasyon na to, relasyon ng karamihan din, no? It could be that you are being inspired by, or you are inspiring other people as well, to be brave enough and to sort of do something really, sabihin natin parang yung sundin ang puso, no? I feel like wala namang ganung issues. So bakit pa tayo nagre-reading? Wala naman palang issues. No, that's okay. Hindi naman kailangan palaging may issues, di ba? Dapat nga puro blessings ang ating um, reading. The Queen of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles, the Four of Cups. So I think meron dito nagtatampo kasi bakit feeling niya, so ito yung issue, tampo. The tampo here is more of hindi naman ganun kabigat, no? Meron lang mga nagbago, no? Parang sinasabi nitong, sabihin natin si person A. Person A could be you or could be your person, no? What I'm reading here is the dynamics, all right? Parang sinasabi dito, bakit puro pera na lang or bakit puro career na lang or trabaho na lang, no? Or business na lang itong iniisip, paano naman ako? I'm not seeing here na nakikibarkada. More of, kung meron mang minimit na mga barkada, it's also has something to do with money, no? Um, Hindi naman siguro si partner um, nakikipag-meet para lang, mag-spend ng money and also magsayang ng oras, no? I feel like this is also something about networking, with the temperance and the knight of pentacles. There's a lot of pentacles in here. I feel like itong si partner or itong si person, sino ba si person A itong nagtatampo, no? So si person B, itong more of wala kasi siyang masyado ngayong focus, kundi yun nga, tama naman yung iyong hinala. Money, abundance, no, growth, expansion. Uh, with the sun. And the King of Pentacles, uy, parang may gusto talaga siyang pasuking, um, hindi ibang tao ha, pasuking parang investments, no? Investment of time, energy, effort. It could also be money. King and Queen of Pentacles in here. I feel like maganda naman yung camaraderie ninyong dalawa when it comes to parang magtutulungan. Is it also both of you are also trying to parang sabihin natin mag-business, no? So parang napag-iisipan nyo or pinag-iisipan yung magkaroon ng business, no? I think that this is not just one person. Siguro namimiss mo lang yung dati ninyong ginagawa, no? Person A, yung mga dating hindi pa ganun ka-busy ang buhay, hindi pa ganun ka, um, ayoko naman sabihin ganid kasi you both deserve this abundance. It just requires a bit of, effort from you. Kaso si person A ngayon, medyo parang ang kanyang angal dito. Sumosobra ka naman na yata sa pagka-busy, no? Parang ginagawa mo na lang kung nasa isang bahay kayo, no, parang ginagawa mo na lang 'tong boarding house, matutulog ka na lang dito, lalayas ka na. So, paano naman ako, paano naman itong relationship natin, no? With the page, there's a lot of pentacles in here, no? Saggies. I feel like mabubuo natin itong earth signs, kung hindi earth signs, itong partner mo. The Ace of Wands and the Five of Wands. So medyo nagiging issue lang din dito ang usaping intimacy, no? Hindi dahil merong erectile dysfunction, no? Um, well, siguro because of the busyness, pero more of nawawala nga yung sinasabi nating passion, intimacy, so nawawalan tayo ng time for intimate moments, pillow talks, no? Intimate moments not necessarily always have to be making love or sex, no? Um, some other people find it intimate, yung holding hands, kissing, or even this pillow talk, no? Those conversations behind closed doors na yung parang sinasabi nating um, intellectual intercourse, no? Paano ba to sa Tagalog? Um, kangkungan, no? Kangkungan ng pag-iisip, ayan. Alam niyo na yung ibig sabihin doon. So parang both of you are, so some people might um, find it interesting and intimate, kapag merong conversation na both niyo parang, ay, natututo ako dito. No? For them, that's intimacy. No? Kanya-kanyang trip naman yan. Huwag natin basagin yung trip. Whatever the trip, maybe, speaking of basagin, so eto na nga, si Page of Pentacles, parang mababasag nga yung trip ng isa. So itong intimacy ko is parang hindi siya nasa-satisfy ngayon. In fact, hindi naman sa naghahanap ako ng iba. Actually, hinahanap ko nga yun sa'yo, kaya medyo pumapalag ako at um, medyo sinisita kita, no? Baka kasi nakakalimutan mo may partner ka ding tao, no? Hindi po ako robot. Ayan, with the Three of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. Hi, um, ano ba sasabihin ko dito? Kasi sobrang dami ng pentacles, sobrang dami ng abundance na pwede nyo ma-experience. Yun nga lang, meron talagang, you know, time na pwede nating i-sacrifice. I think that these Five of Wands, no, itong small challenges, or this puzzle that person is figuring out is very temporary. No, sobrang sandali lang that naman. With the Nine of Cups and the Seven of Pentacles, I don't know what kind of blessings there is. Wala man dito yung Wheel of Fortune, pero sa sobrang dami ng Pentacles, um, it felt like there's the abundance is beyond more the Wheel of Fortune with the Nine of Cups in here. Parang ibibigay pa sa'yo yung higit. no? For now, hayaan lang muna si person B kasi dumidiskarte. Um, Ayan, paano ba sasabihin ko? May kamay naman, no? Person A. Baka pwede nating gamit-gamitin ang kamay, no? Kung intimacy lang din. And just kidding. There's always a part of these challenges when it comes to the relationship. I feel like it happens, no? And keep in mind that this is just a phase. Siguro our take on this is mas okay na nagiging busy siya sa trabaho, sa pera, no? Gathering all those kesa naman busy siyang, you know, um, nangangalakal ng ibang kalakal, no? Nangangalakal ng ibang ano ba, ng ibang tahong, no? Or ng ibang talong, ayan. So, mas okay na yan. Again, babalik din naman itong intimacy na hinahanap mo. Hayaan mo lang naman because temperance is just a pace, no? Parang sinusubukan lang din. I'm not saying that I'm not invalidating your concern, di ba, person A. Kung sino ka man, cross-watchers or the Sagittarius, no? Pero kasi dito more of, hindi naman din natin maibabayad itong palaging love, no? Let's be practical. Pwede mo bang sabihin pabilin ng 1 kilong bigas tapos ang ibabayad mo ay finger heart na lang po. Love, love naman po kita, aling tindera. Hindi naman pwedeng ganun. 'Di ba? So, mas mabuti na yung ginagawa ngayon. At least focus siya, no? Baka kasi this person is also saving for something else. Um, what I am seeing in here is parang kasing the person is trying to bridge the gap. And that's okay. Wala naman ding mali sa intentions. Hindi ko masasabing mali din yung ginagawa ni person B. I think it just requires for the both of you to have understanding and balances. Um, Mareremedyohan naman ito through communication and through understanding, right? So tingnan natin dito ang zodiac ni zodiac, ang emotion. No, whether ito yung emotion ni Sagis or emotion ni person. I miss you. Can you hear me whisper your name? So, sobrang ganun na lang ang pagka-miss, no? Nito ni person A kay person B. Yung parang hindi na kita nararamdaman, no? Hindi na kita nakikita. Sobrang namimiss ko na, no? Pwede namimiss ko na lahat, no? Pati itong mga, ang init ng iyong katawan, ayan. Ang init ng pagpulandit na yan, ng iyong katas, ayan, kung ano man yan, katas ng pagmamahal. Ayan. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Taurus, Pisces, Virgo, Scorpio, Leo, Capricorn. I am seeing Cancer, Sagittarius, yeah, so that's your reading Sagittarius, baka kapwa Sagittarius, no? So, Saggis, this is your reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live sessions, doon din po yan sa Babaylan TV, no? Kung di niyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the questions answerable by yes or no. And Sagis, kung hindi naman po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box, there's a link, no? A link to my website. Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung question form sa pinakababa. No, ibaba nyo lang po. Mag-hover lang kayo sa baba. Nandun din po yung how much per question, the amount, the QR code, the name for your reference. Kasi kung meron po mga nagme-message sa inyo na parang kamukha ng Babaylan TV yung logo, actually yung logo mismo, Babaylan TV. Um, Others are videos of me, no? Pero makikita niyo yung changes sa username, no? So, maging mapanuri kayo, ha? Kapag hindi po doon nag-match, hindi ako yon. So, avoid, no? Para iwasan yung habulin ako ng hindi naman ako yung hindi ako yung may sala, ano? Nagwa-warn na po ako sa inyo. Ayan. So, Sagis, kung gusto nyo rin mag-avail ng ating private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. No? Tuloy pa rin ang manhunt sa ating mga fake accounts. Nandun po sa description box yung dalawang fake accounts. No? Report it, um, screenshot and email it to the designated email para makabunod po ako ng winner for a free personal reading. So this is your reading, Sagis. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.